is Red Feather from Graphics. In this video, we will show you how to set up LibreOffice to create text known as fontworks and or create other artwork straight from the writer. First, let us start at LibreOffice Help, as it is one of the most comprehensive help menus I have seen. And notice we are using version 6.4. Next, in the LibreOffice Help menu, click on Title Bar. Now you may notice there are a couple of options here. I could go through the next pages of these LibreOffice Help menus, but in order to keep the video short and hopefully encourage the use of the Help menu, we will go on to show how to implement this function. Go to the LibreOffice menu bar, click on View, scroll down to Toolbars, and hover so the drop-down menu appears. Then, in the LibreOffice drop-down menu, scroll down to Drawing and click. Now notice at the bottom of our LibreOffice Writer, we have a new toolbar available. There are many things that can be done with this LibreOffice toolbar, such as creating font work, better known as artistic text, and or shapes, and much more. We hope you have enjoyed this LibreOffice tutorial and found it helpful in some fashion, and if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber, ringing that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I mean, after all, ladies and gentlemen, it is free. The beginning and the end of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu 1. Thank you in advance. I am out.